Hey, what's up guys? Look at this. I create viral iPhone ocean spatial wallpaper on my Galaxy device. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this ocean spatial wallpaper you also on your Galaxy device. Okay, look at this. I reset my lock screen. First, guys, you have to download this wallpaper on your Galaxy device. This wallpaper's download link available on description. Simply choose any one wallpaper and first set this wallpaper home screen and lock screen like this. Simply arrange like this and set wallpaper. After set this wallpaper, guys, first take screenshot like this. After taking screenshot, guys, first remember go to Galaxy Store and update your good lock and lockstar module. After update lockstar module, go to lock screen and first set clock. Guys, I recommend this transparent clock because this is completely look like iOS 26 liquid glass clock. Now set like this and simply tap on done. After tap on done, go to gallery, open this screenshot. Now simply crop this image like this. Guys, crop this image like this and save copy. Simply tap on increase resolution. After crop image, simply tap and hold and crop this water like this and save as sticker. Simply tap on done. Now go to lock screen, tap and edit lock screen. Go to lockstar. Now tap on sticker. Now you can see I crop this image. Simply select and adjust this image like this. After arrange this image like this, now tap on done. Guys, look at this. Our lock screen completely look like iOS 26 iPhone spatial lock screen. So you also create this viral iPhone wallpaper on your any Galaxy device like this. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.